Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a fruit mix in 3 different ways. So, let's start. For the first one, you'll need 2 bowls, 2 spoons, 2 knives, some melons, mangoes, and a pineapple. Now let's mix all 4 of these. Now let's chill this. Let's cut these into cubes. Now, let's put in some cream, condensed milk, peanuts, and cheese. Let's mix it. Now, the third one requires this to be made. So now we're going to make these into popsicles. You can blend these if you like, but I just like the texture. Let's cover these and put these in the freezer. Well, thanks for watching guys. I hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye.